Hi, hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our channel. Friends, today topic is mutton curry. Friends, this video is going on. First of all, please subscribe my channel and like this video and share to our friends. Friends, this video downs red color subscribe letters. Please press it and the besides of bell icon. Please click it. Okay friends, and don't skip this video. Let's see how to make it curry. Okay friends, let's go in topic. Friends, first of all, light the stove and put the pan on the stove. Just see this heated. Friends, after heating the pan, pour the some oil. It is cooking oil. And next, put the onions and green chilies. In the pan. Just fried it in the pan. The onions is comes to light gold color. Friends, please compulsory subscribe my channel and like this video and share to your friends. Because supported in my channel. Friends, and next put the mutton pieces. So pieces of the mutton, washable mutton pieces in the pan. This curry is very healthy food. The improved immunity power in the body. And next, just fried it in this pan. Just color is comes to light gold color. Friends, mutton is very healthy food and improved immunity power. Okay, and next add the suitable salt in this pan. And next just fried it. So totally mix the salt in this mix. Friends, next add the slices of brinjal in this pan. It's mix compulsory tasty in food. Friends, don't skip this video. Please watch full time this video. How to make this curry easily in your houses. Friends, next ginger garlic paste is already made it and put this pan. The totally mix it. And add a spoon chili powder, and once again mix the mixing this. And next add the pieces of tomato. Friends, don't skip this video. Please watch this. Compulsory like this video, friends, and share to your friends. Friends, this video down subscribe letters, red color letters. Please press it, and the beside of bell icon compulsory press it. And next add the soaked chana dal in this pan. Friends, before soaked by just 15 minutes. Okay friends. Totally just mix it in this pan. Friends, pour some water in this pan. Look at this, friend. Close the plate and the pan. Just 5 minutes. Please wait. Okay friends. Friends, after let's see this. Just open the plate on the pan. And next add the pieces of potato. Okay friends, just that totally mix it. Close the pan. Just wait 3 minutes. Please wait, okay? Friend, let's see. And open this plate in this pan. And just mix it. Once look at this curry. Friends, next add 2 pinches of chicken masala powder in this pan. So total mixer, just mix it. And next add the coriander leaves in this pan. Okay friends, just please wait 1 minute. Okay friends, please wait. Okay friends, let's see this. Just open the plate and the pan. Okay friends, wow, this curry is loosened by stove. Oh friends, this curry is very healthy curry, and the curry becomes to immunity power in our body. Friends, compulsory try it. Just easy make it this curry. Okay friends, that's all. Friends, please try this curry. Okay friends, the curry is made. Okay friends, thanks for watching this video. Friends, not forget to my words. Okay, and please subscribe my channel and like this video and share to your friends. Friends, please send good comment. Okay friends, thanks. Bye bye. Okay friends.